Hi everyone, welcome to Edipedia World. This is Varun Ganga. In our last session, we have already discussed some examples regarding to the technique how to do multiplication of two-digit numbers which are having the sum of digits in its tens place as 10 and the digits which are in its units place are 6. Now, in this session, we are going to have a look of another example with regarding to the same technique. Now, let us see what the example is going to be. The example that I'm going to take in this session is 59 into 59. So before going to apply the technique, at first we have to check whether the conditions are satisfying or not. So the first condition that has to be satisfied here is the sum of digits in its tens place should add up to 10. Now let us see whether the digits which are in its tens place add up to 10 or not. So if you observe in the number 59, we are having 5 in its tens place, and again in the number 59, we are having 5 in its tens place. If you add 5 and 5, you will get the sum 10. So therefore, you can say that condition number 1 is satisfied. Now coming to condition number 2, it says that the digits which are in its ones place should be same. Now if you observe again the number 59, it is having 9 in its ones place, and again the number 59, it is having 9 in its ones place. So therefore, these two numbers are having the same digit, that is 9, in their ones places. So therefore, again you can say that condition number 2 is also satisfied. So both these conditions are satisfied, and now we can apply the technique for this example. So before going to apply the technique, you know that while doing multiplication in our old traditional way, we used to write the numbers one below the other by placing a horizontal bar. Here too, before going to apply the technique, I am going to write these numbers 59 below 59 and a horizontal bar like this. After that, now we can apply the technique. So before going to apply the technique, there are some steps that has to be followed. And the step number 1, what we are going to do here is, we have to multiply the numbers or the digits that are in ones place. So here in the ones place, we are having two nines. And if you multiply these two nines, you will get the product 81. So you just take down that 81 below the horizontal bar and write it on the right side, like this. And the most important note that you have to remember here is, whenever you get the product while multiplying the digits which are in its ones place as a single digit number, you have to prefix it with 0. If you get a two-digit number as a product, then there is no need to prefix it with 0. Now you just move on to the remaining digits that are in tens place. Now the step number 2 of the technique says that you have to multiply the digits in its tens place and you have to add the digit which is in its ones place. That is, you have to multiply first 5 and 5. You will get 25, and after that you have to add 9 to that 25. So 25 plus 9, you will get 34. And you have to take that 34 below the horizontal bar and write it on the right side. Now, if you club both these two answers, no doubt it becomes the final result for the product 59 into 59. So therefore, you can say that 59 into 59 is equals to 3481. So guys, this is the only technique that is applicable in finding the product for the two-digit numbers which are having sum of its digits in its tens place as 10 and the digits which are in its units place are same. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed pretty well how to apply the technique. And in the next session, we are going to see one more example regarding with the same technique. Thank you. Have a nice day.